Hey guys, welcome to another video. I am Lattydesire. In case you're wondering why I'm just like this today, I'm also a Realtor Associate for Keller Williams, Jamaica. And today I'm going to be taking you guys on one of my day-to-day work. And I will be showing you guys one of our units that is currently renting. This unit is available and located in Kingston 6, close to Sovereign, New Kingston, Barbican Center, Fridays, Devon House, everywhere, all the good places, all the goodies, right? So this is definitely a hit place that you need to occupy. So before we take you guys on a tour, make sure you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up. I've been watching my videos and not subscribing, so don't do it now. Do it right now. I'm waiting. Cue the intro. Let's go.
Get ready for the vibe. Yeah. We're living happy. We living free. Minding my business, doing what's right. I'm living happy. Yes, I'm alright. Taking chances. I'm doing just fine. Walking on sunshine. I'm living life.
Alright guys, welcome back. So let's go. Come on, come on, and come. Welcome to this beautiful evening. We're taking you guys into the kitchen. Look, we have all the beautiful appliances, guys. Still looking well branded Samsung fridge, Whirlpool electric stove, Whirlpool microwave, nice kitchen countertop, storage space. Come on, man, come. Hello, a new time now. When I'm picking up clothes on oil. This apartment unit comes with a dryer and washer. There's a tub that you can do little, you know, right there. The good thing about this apartment is that, one, if you have visitors coming over and you don't want them in your bedroom, there's two doors entrance. So you have this entrance to the bathroom. Come on in. So you have a nice glass. You're bathing and just look at it. Imagine you're bathing just feel good, right? And then we have some nice storage space right here. For all the ladies, you can put your makeup. For the males, you can put your shaving stuff here. Clean space. Okay, so we're going into the bedroom. Remember, we have two entrances, so bye, we'll lock this door. Welcome back. So we're going into the bedroom. Come guys, come. Alright. So of course, this beautiful mahogany looking bed frame, you know, like the antique uptown look. So we're going to take you into the closet. Like, this closet area is well organized, so the space is well. You can fold your jeans, put your jeans here, and you can put your bags, you can put your shirt, your dress, long dresses over here. Comes with an iron board and also an iron. Like guys, when you rent this apartment, you don't need to bring nothing down your suitcase. Just come off of the plane and come. So, room, you have a TV in your room. How much do you draw that? 8. And then you have more storage over here. So if you are a girl that have a lot of stuff and not have to worry, this unit also comes with an AC. Like what is a good bedroom without a cool, refreshing AC? And if the time is too cold, you have the fan, right? You have your nightstand. You can just put your book or your little stuff that you normally your nightly routine right here. Come on, we're ready. We're going into the living room right now. Come. So remember, still have one TV on this up, and you have this nice, lovely TV for your guests. Then come, kick back, relax, comfortable, like your coffee table, nice chair over there, and sit down and have a little talk. Also, you have a dining table with a little fruits right here. I don't think this don't even need anything right here. And this here, these are not supposed to be here. It's supposed to be on the patio where we're going right now. To get some fresh air. Look. Oh, this feels so good. Wow, this feels so good, man. Breathes fresh. So you have the tanks over there, guys. Tanks, so you never out of water, right? You never out of water. You have heater, so if you don't like cold water. There's actually 2 AC units, guys. So AC in the living room. What more do you want? What more? This unit has everything that will make you feel so comfortable. If you're wondering how much this unit costs, it's only $1,000 US for all this beautiful, comfortable, like, yeah, look at the color. Feel tropical, right? Feel like the color alone of the property make you feel so relaxed. Right, so comment down below. Make sure y'all let me know what you think. Share the video if you know somebody looking for somewhere to rent. No, help a friend. Don't forget to comment down below, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. All the information will be in the description below. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.